Hi kids, this is Shayma Muhammad, Jolly Phonics teacher. Today we will talk about sound T, T, the new words. Tab, tab, tent, tent, cat, cat, tennis, tennis, ten, ten, not, not. Let's blend. T, t, ta, ta, a, at, sa, sa, sat, sat. Thanks for listening.